Here I have Nokia 220, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to unlock your device, go to its settings, then go to the system section, then go to the about and select restore factory settings. Then tap OK, and after a few seconds, maybe a minute, your device will be restarted and it will be formatted. All data from it will be erased, all settings will be reset. This is what factory reset is about. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.